Good morning, I am Bharat and you are watching The Hot Topic. This week's hot market to watch is gold. Like an overladen Spanish galleon, gold sunk to a monthly low. Here's what happened to the precious metal. Last week, the US dollar recovered rapidly and we saw gold decrease during Thursday's trading session, falling a significant 2.7% to $1,221.90 per ounce. On a weekly basis, gold's performance went as low as 3% to $1,216.62 per ounce, the worst of the last 4 weeks, and it opened this week even lower at $1,208. Let's take a quick look at what's been happening to gold. The price of gold gained more than 14% from the start of the year amid widespread pessimism on the state of global economy. However, the good news for gold began to turn sour last week as data out of the US pointed towards a stronger economy. There were upward revisions of previous week's data that suggested the labor market is stronger than initially estimated, and on Friday, data released showed the US economy grew 1.4% in fourth quarter, beating estimations of just 1% growth. This led to Philadelphia's Fed's President Harker, stating that the US low unemployment rate could ultimately have a positive effect on inflation levels and that policymakers may be forced to vote on an interest rate increase during their next meeting on 26th of April. As the dollar increased, gold, an inversely correlated market, felt the pinch and reversed its gains, ending on a month's low. Let's take a quick look at what else is coming up this week. On Thursday at 11:30 GMT, the European Central Bank is meeting and will release the meeting's accounts. Forecasts are that the ECB might increase its monetary stimulus program and even trim interest rates lower into negative levels. Economic data is also expected about the Chinese economy, with the manufacturing PMI report due on Friday, 1st of April at 1 GMT. This may shed more light on the currently worrying state of the world's second largest economy. That's it for this week. Which way are you going on gold this week? Long or short? Or staying on the fence for now? Comment below and let us know. I am Bharat and you've been watching The Hot Topic.